As part of our governance series supported by Jamcracker's cloud management platform, we will take a look at the policies and procedures that an organization uses to define actions and grant access to control access the information and resources. Poor access governance results in financial and compliance risks through improper segregation of duties, or when users have unauthorized access to information or other resources. Some of the ways to ensure access governance is having a role-based access control. Integration with an existing LDAP server, like Microsoft ADFS and SAML authorization. A platform allows to easily create multiple personas, create, edit, remove, and role-based access control. So personas can only see what is required for their role. Pronounced as RBAC. Also known as role-based security, this feature allows assigning roles and privileges to users to ensure control. I have logged in as an enterprise admin. I will create a role, QA user. And I will give place order privileges and save it. I will now assign a user Alice to QA user role. Let us now log in as user Alice. Here, Alice can place orders and view the orders as she has given privilege to place order. Similarly, as an enterprise admin I will create another role, engineering user. And I will give only view order privileges and save it. I will assign a user Charlie to engineering role. Let us now log in as user Charlie. Here, Charlie can only view orders that are assigned to him and he cannot place any orders because of RBAC. Next, let's see how enterprises can also integrate the Jamcracker platform with their existing lightweight directory access protocol, LDAP. User data as well as group-related information can be synchronized and used by the application. Typically, LDAP integration is also part of a single sign-on implementation. As an administrator, this can be accomplished with some simple steps. Select the Identity Management option from the options listed in the left pane. The Identity Management page is displayed with Identity Server tab selected by default. If you want to configure Identity Management at the store level, select Yes next to the Configure Identity Management option. The Identity Management tab fields will be displayed. Here provide the valid details to all the fields. Once done, check the test connection and click on Save and Next. In Identity Mapping page, enter valid details in required fields. Once done, click on Save and Next. Now go to Active Directory server in which the users have been created. Let us consider an example. I have created two users, Alice and Charlie. Here we can create a role and associate it to the users. I have assigned Core QA role to Alice. Go back to Jamcracker platform. On the sync page, click Start Sync. Here, the sync details can be viewed. We can view the sync details by clicking View Sync Details. Once it is done, we can log in as administrator and give RBAC privileges to selected roles. I will now log into a user, Alice, to whom I have given RBAC privilege to place orders. Here I can place orders and view the order's details because of RBAC privileges. The Jamcracker platform also enforces the SAML authentication. With SAML, Jamcracker create users on the fly the first time they try to log in. When users log into the platform for the first time, with SSO, their account is automatically created for them, eliminating the time and effort of adding the users. Active Directory Federation Services provides claims-based security identity and authentication solution that involves Windows Server and Active Directory technology. Jamcracker is certified for using ADFS for providing authentication and single sign-on to applications and services located in different networks in a way that is seamless to users. In order to ensure compliance, enterprises typically require a uniform password policy to be instituted across the enterprise for all services that their users will consume. With a Jamcracker platform, all access control and password enforcement policies are configurable at a company level. The platform also enforces multi-factor authentication. After a repetitive login failures because of wrong password, the user will be prompted to complete the CAPTCHA verification as an advanced sign and security feature. The Jamcracker platform supports concurrent login protection so as to prevent multiple simultaneous sessions for the same user. If multiple sessions are detected, the system implements multi-factor authentication to ensure that authorized user gains access to the account, and the malicious session is automatically terminated. For more information, please visit our website, www.jamcracker.com. Thank you.